Hello! Today I will show you this heavy, beautiful, extendable dining table made from porcelain stoneware by the TUTTI E DUE manufacturer. We will assemble it together and test it out. To assemble and set up this table, you will need some help from friends, as it weighs 80 kilograms, that is around 176 pounds. It's designed with black painted metal legs and frame, and the tabletop and central extension are made from glossy porcelain stoneware. It is resistant to heat and scratches, featuring an elegant marble design. The simple and decisive lines make it suitable for any living space. Its diameter is 110 centimeters, and when extended it reaches 155 centimeters, or 61.02 inches. It's easy to clean, and with a simple method you can extend it to make it bigger when expecting more friends over. If you have any questions while watching this video, feel free to ask them in the comments below.